Hello everyone, we have to make a house like this. Now after that you have to complete the landscape like this. Now we have to make the doors and the windows. Make a tree near it like this. So now you can make a big bushy tree on the top, make a sun, make the birds and then color it like this. Color it as per your choice. You can give any colors to the painting and it's done. Next we'll be making two houses like this. So write a letter M in the double lined way. Now make the doors and the windows of the house like this. After that we have to color it, make a chimney on the top and then make the trees near it. Make the tree on the back of it like this and then make the path of the house. Now near the house we can make some grasses and it's done. Next, make a house like this and draw the lines. Make the doors and the windows of it. Now after that you have to make a chimney on the top. Now draw the line like this and make the fence near the house. Make some trees like this. And after that you can color it as per your choice. Make a sun on the top and then make some birds and it's done. Next, use the marker directly and make the lines of the house like this. So, make the doors, ventilation and the windows of the house. Now, after that, we have to make the chimney on the top. Now, you can make the birds on the top, color it and it's done. Next, make a house like this. Draw the lines, draw the doors and windows of it. Now, make a chimney on the top. Make the trees near the house like this. And then you can fill the color as per your choice. Make the grasses and the bushes on the back. Make a sun on the top like this. Make some birds. And your house is ready. I hope you liked it. You can fill the color as per your choice. Here we have given pink color to the tree to make the cherry blossom tree and it's done. Next you have to make a house. Now draw the lines like this. Now you have to make the doors and windows of the house. Make a chimney on the top like this. Now after that you can make a tree near the house like this. You can make some birds on the top, make a sun, color it like this and it's done. Next, make a house like this. Draw the lines as shown in the video. Now after that you have to make a chimney, make the doors and the windows of it. Now after that we have to make the trees near the house like this. Draw the lines, color it and it's done. Next you have to make a house like this. Now after that you have to make a house, make the chimney, make the doors and the windows of it. Now after that you have to draw the doors and the windows of the house like this. Now make the lines on the roof and then make the trees near the house like this. You can fill the birds, sky like this, make a sun on the top, make the trees and it's done. Next, draw the lines like this to make the roof of the house. Now make a house like this by drawing the lines. Make the fence near the house on the side. Make the doors and the windows of the house. Now after that, make a chimney on the top. Now we have to make the tree in the back if you want, otherwise it's done. Make a simple normal house as we draw. So now after that you have to make the doors and windows of the house. Now after that you can make its path like this. Make a chimney on the top and color it with the red color and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.